In this video, we're going to show you the best ways to clean fruit, ensuring it's safe and free from dirt, pesticides, and bacteria before you enjoy it. Whether you've bought fruit from a store or picked it straight from your garden, proper cleaning is essential for your health. Let's dive into how to clean your fruit effectively. Dirty fruit can carry pesticides, bacteria, and even harmful pathogens from handling during harvesting, transport, and storage. Simply rinsing fruit with water isn't always enough to remove all residues. Proper cleaning helps reduce the risk of foodborne illness and ensures that you and your family enjoy fresh and safe produce. Gathering cleaning supplies. To clean your fruit effectively, gather a few basic supplies. Clean water, a large bowl or basin, a produce brush, and either white vinegar, baking soda, or commercial fruit wash if you prefer. Make sure you have a clean towel or paper towels on hand for drying. Start by rinsing your fruit thoroughly under cool running water. Use your hands to gently rub the surface of the fruit to help remove surface dirt. This step is especially important for fruits with firm skins like apples and cucumbers. Even fruits with inedible skins, such as melons, should be rinsed before cutting to prevent transferring bacteria from the surface to the inside. For a deeper clean, prepare a solution of 1 part white vinegar to 3 parts water in a large bowl or basin. Submerge the fruit in the mixture and let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps to remove wax, pesticide residues, and bacteria. After soaking, rinse the fruit again under running water to remove any remaining vinegar taste. For tougher fruits with firm skins, such as apples or pears, you can use baking soda to create a gentle scrub. Sprinkle a little baking soda onto a damp produce brush or your hands and gently rub the fruit's surface. Rinse thoroughly under running water to remove any residue. For delicate fruits like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, avoid soaking them for too long as they can absorb too much water and become mushy. Instead, place the berries in a colander and rinse them gently under cool running water. You can also swish them around briefly in a bowl of water with a splash of vinegar. Then drain and pat dry with a paper towel. After cleaning, it's important to dry the fruit thoroughly. Use a clean towel or paper towels to pat dry each piece of fruit. This helps prevent moisture buildup, which can lead to mold growth if you're storing the fruit for later. Cleaning your fruit properly is a simple but crucial step in making sure that your produce is safe to eat. With these easy techniques, you can enjoy fresh, clean fruit every time, reducing the risk of contaminants and keeping your family healthy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on food safety and healthy eating. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.